Sushi is a combination of fresh fish and vinegared rice. Learning to make good sushi rice takes years of practice. And it involves everything from deciding on the water you use to how you mix it with what kind of vinegar, considering the temperature and the season of the year. Although you can make the standard sushi with the basic ingredients, but I just want you to know that the taste of rice breathes life into a piece of sushi, and professional sushi chefs are picky about what they use, have their own special balance of seasoning, and are proud of their style. It matters that much. The suitable rice is Japanese-style short-grain white rice. Other short-grain types will not work properly. Also, high quality of rice may not always be the best sushi rice. It is important to consider how the taste turns into once it's mixed and combined with vinegar, not only the quality of rice itself. Of course, you can buy seasoned rice vinegar in a supermarket which is ready to use. But it tastes better if you make it yourself at home, and you can also adjust the ingredients to your preference. Each restaurant has their own recipe, and some sushi chefs add pieces of lemon, apples, or kelp to enhance the rich flavor. The audio lecture demonstrates how to cook rice and mix with vinegar. This video specifically gives you the basic idea on how to prepare the homemade sushi vinegar. Prepare the ingredients. The list shown here is to make about 400 ml of sushi vinegar, which is enough to make 10 cups of cooked sushi rice. Change the amount with the same ratio accordingly. If you see some dust on the kelp, wipe it off lightly with a paper towel. Do not rinse off the powdery white coating because it carries the flavor. Combine all the ingredients into a pot and heat it over a stove on medium heat. Stir occasionally to dissolve the sugar and salt, and the mixture turns clear. Remove from the heat before it starts boiling and let it cool to room temperature. Strain and discard the kelp and store it in a non-reactive airtight jar in the refrigerator until using. If possible, make the seasoned vinegar the day before you want to use it. When left to stand overnight, the flavor mellows and is more mature. And try to use it within 3 weeks, since it starts losing its flavor after that.